Today I am going to show you how to add YouTube video in your WordPress website. Okay, let's start the tutorial. First you need install WordPress. I was already installed WordPress and create a WordPress homepage. Now I will add YouTube video. Now go YouTube. Embed, copy HTML embed code, edit page, HTML, custom HTML code, paste here, update, view page. Okay, YouTube video add here. Okay, again edit page. Edit with Elementor. Copy. Paste URL, YouTube video URL, update. Share, embed, copy, embed HTML code, iframe HTML code. Okay, again HTML code, paste here. Okay, update, view page. Okay, successfully add YouTube video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If this video help you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also like, comments and share. Okay, bye.